Hello, I am Simran. Welcome back to my channel Semi Microbiology. So, this is our microbial physiology lab of Amity University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. So, today we are going to discuss about laminar airflow. As we can see, we have four switches in the laminar airflow. First the main, second air, third light and fourth for UV. Before working, we should on the UV light for 20. We should sterilize our hands with the help of an ethanol while working. So after 20 minutes we can off the UV light and start working. So before start working we can sterilize the surface with the help of an ethanol or with the help of a tissue paper we can rub the surface and properly clean the area for working. Now on what principle air laminar flow works? So it works on the principle based on the unidirectional flow and the HEPA filtration. Unidirectional flow in this air move in a single direction, either horizontally or vertically, preventing the cross contamination. In HEPA filtration, HEPA filter removes 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring a clean and the sterile environment. So if we talk about some of the Viva questions which are related to air laminar flow, so the first question is what is air laminar flow. The second, on what principle it is based on. Third, what type of filter is used, which we discussed. HEPA filter is there in the laminar airflow. And the fourth question, what type of laminar airflow can be needed? So there are two types generally, horizontal laminar airflow and the vertical laminar airflow. Or the questions like what is the air velocity in LAF cabinets, which typically ranges between 0.3 to 0.5. So this is the inside view of laminar airflow. As we can see, this is the upper side of the air laminar airflow. So before working we should ensure that our hands should be inside the laminar airflow, they should not be outside. Properly we can sit on. Inside this we can see a Bunsen burner which we can use during the pouring of the media while working on the laminar airflow. After working we should close all the switches and also the cabinet. So this is all about the air laminar flow. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel.